Hi there! I am Mrs. P. In today's video, I'm talking about the different definitions for the phrasal verb break down. The first definition, and the most literal definition for break down, means to divide something into smaller pieces. This could be physically or chemically. For example, the total cost of the car doesn't seem like a lot when you break it down into regular payments of only $185 a month. Plastic is not easily broken down by bacteria. I know this is a complicated process, so let me break it down and tell you step by step. The second definition for breakdown is when a machine stops working. It looks like the lawnmower broke down again. I should take it to the repair shop. We don't have money to fix the TV if it breaks down again. Treat it carefully. The third definition for breakdown means to lose control of your emotions. It's been a rough day. If something else happens, I think that they'll completely break down. I don't understand her. She's breaking down over something so small. The fourth and last definition for breakdown means to hit something very hard so that it falls down, like a door. For example, the firefighter had to break down the door of the apartment to save the little girl. While renovating my house, I broke down the wall dividing the main living area so that we would have a more open living space. So, there you go, the 4 definitions for the phrasal verb break down. If you want to practice these definitions with me, then just write a sentence and leave it in the comment section below and I will correct it for you. You can also check out the website YouGlish, which I have mentioned before. It's a great website that has a lot of examples from YouTube videos of these phrasal verbs being used in regular, real-life contexts. If you want to take private lessons with me, or if you want to check out some of the other materials that I offer, then go to my website at mrspESLtutor.com. Or you can click on this link over here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel here and check out some of my other videos by clicking down here. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time.